Does it record sound?
Yeah.
Can you zoom in?
You don't even know what she looks like?
Not anymore. But yeah, I can.
There she is.
Bad quality. It's a woodpecker on a hummingbird feeder. Awesome.
Bam! What are you doing here? He's like, strike a pose.
You have no right to be here.
Oh.
Now, come on. This isn't working out. I'm okay.
What the hell are you doing here?
I'm having a word with your daughter.
Well, it's going to be goodbye. Get that home.
Rosemary, I'm so sorry that I hurt you. I've been really...
I want to see it attack another bird.
I'm thoughtful and an idiot.
Oh, he is back.
Yeah. I'm recording it.
I love you. You're the only girl I've ever loved.
What?
And, just didn't want you to go away without knowing that.
Okay, I'm done.